Attention, severe weather ahead. Please stay tuned for our special announcement.
Hello, I'm Cheyenne. Thank you for tuning in for today's episode of Warning Severe Weather Ahead. Today I have invited a panel of experts to join me to discuss blizzards. Did you know it is the high winds and snow that makes this such a dangerous storm? Our first guests are Shania Erin, our meteorologist. Shania, what characteristics define a blizzard?
A blizzard has strong wind and heavy snowfall.
What season does a blizzard usually appear in?
The blizzard come in the winter months of December, January, and February.
Where in the United States does your storm occur most often?
The United States.
Right, the northern states.
Hello.
Our next guest is Jeffrey, who is an environmental scientist. Jeffrey, what is the effect of this type of storm on people and their activities?
These storms can cause power to go out, roads to close, and even buildings to cave in.
What is one example for history when this weather has been the most severe?
In the winter of 1977 and 1978, a blizzard hit New York City and Boston. It left 27 inches of snow and caused roads to be closed for 4 days.
Our final guest is Malachi, a guest from FEMA. What can people do to prepare for a blizzard?
To prepare for a blizzard, people should make a kit for their homes and cars. They need blankets, water, flashlights, and a shovel.
Is there a system for warning people about this severe weather?
Yes, the Natural Weather Service will give warnings and telling people what they need to do.
Thank you to our panel for being here today. We are all better informed and prepared to face a blizzard. Now, tune in again tomorrow for the next episode of Warning Severe Weather Ahead.